In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize Monday.com for customer support ticket management. We'll walk through how to set up and use a dedicated board so you can track support requests, prioritize them, and understand your team's workload at a glance. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace and heading to your Agent Task Management board. This is going to be the central place where your support tickets live. If you already have a board for your support team, you can use that. Otherwise, we'll build one from a template. At the top of the screen, look for the option that lets you add or customize a board. Click on the highlighted button there, then choose Start with Template. Using a template is helpful because it gives you a structure that's already designed for ticket management, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type in the highlighted template name you see on your screen. This narrows down the options so you can quickly find the customer support or ticketing template provided by Monday.com. When it appears in the results, click on it to open the template details. Now, select Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board for you based on that layout. This board will usually come with groups, columns, and views already set up to manage incoming requests, their status, priority, and ownership, which saves you a lot of configuration time. Once the template is added, you'll see different views along the top. Find and click on the view labeled New Keycard or similar. This is often a more visual layout designed to help you quickly scan new tickets. From here, you can click into specific example tickets, like Guest Internet Not Working or Problem with the VPN. These sample items are useful for understanding how to structure your own tickets. You can see how fields like status, assignee, and due dates are used. Feel free to rename these or replace them with real issues from your team. Next, switch to the main table view. This is your master list of all tickets. Here, you can add new items for each support request, assign them to team members, update statuses, and add notes. Think of this as your central spreadsheet, but with the power of automations and collaboration. You'll also see separate views for open requests and closed requests. Click on Open Requests to focus only on active tickets that still need attention. Then move over to Closed Requests to see resolved issues, which can be helpful for reporting or finding past solutions. There is also a Form view. Click on that to see the customer-facing form that feeds directly into your board. You can share this form with your users so that every time they submit an issue, it automatically creates a new item on the board with all the details filled in. To understand how busy your team is, click on Team Workload. This view shows which agents are handling the most tickets and helps you balance assignments so no one is overloaded. For a high-level progress overview, open the Status Breakdown view. This typically shows charts or summaries of tickets by status, such as new, in progress, and done. If you prefer a more visual, card-based layout, click on the Kanban view. Here, each ticket appears as a card, and you can drag and drop them between columns to update their status, which is great for daily stand-ups or triage sessions. Finally, there's a blank view. Click on that if you want a clean slate to build a custom view tailored to your team's specific needs, whether that's a new dashboard, a different filter, or a custom layout. By following these steps, you can turn Monday.com into a powerful, organized hub for managing all your customer support tickets from one place.